Here you see rain is falling vertically downwards with a velocity of 4 km per hour. A man walks in the rain with a velocity of 3 km per hour. The raindrops will fall on the man with the velocity. So that means he is asking about velocity of rain with respect to men. That you know that is velocity of rain minus velocity of men. As we know, if this is I cap, x-axis, and this is y-axis, and this is I cap, and this is j cap, then students, the person is walking with a velocity of 3 km per hour. So means he is moving along x-axis. 3 km per hour. That means अगर vectorially represent करें तो 3 I cap is the velocity of the man. Actually, rain is falling vertically downwards, means like that. It is along negative y-axis. It is falling at 4 km per hour. You know, 4 km per hour means 4 j cap. That means if I'll go for VRM, velocity of rain is 4 minus होगा क्योंकि negative y-axis पे आ रहा है. So students, VRM will be equal to how much? It will be minus 4 j cap. Vm is how much? 3 I cap. So minus Vm. So that is minus 3 I cap. Student, if it is asking about the magnitude of velocity, it's asking about the raindrops will fall on the man. What velocity? The net velocity of the rain that will fall. This magnitude of Vrm we're interested to find. That is equal to 3 square minus 3 square plus minus 4 square root under. That is equal to 5 km per hour. So man is walking due west at the rate of 2 km per hour. Means I'll show it east. And velocity of man is along this direction, and that is how much? 2 km per hour. Actually, the rain appears to him to come down vertically at the rate of 2 km per hour. This rain appears to him as it is coming vertically. 2 km per hour. Friends, the important thing is that the rain appears to him to come down. The rain appears to him to come down. That means here it is given VRM, velocity of rain with respect to man, that is equal to 2 km per hour. This is velocity of man in east direction and appears to, that means VRM is in this direction. So if I'll go for velocity of man, then velocity of man with negative direction is like this. So students, actual velocity of the direction of the rainfall with the vertical. How much? What is the actual direction of velocity of rain with respect to the vertical? How much angle it is making with the vertical? The actual velocity and the direction of rainfall with the vertical respectively. Friends, you know VRM is 2 km per hour and VM is 2 km per hour. And if I am interested to find tan theta, students, here if I am interested to find tan theta, you see tan theta is equal to E by B. It's with the vertical it is asking. Yes or no? So how much? P is VRM, this is 90 degree, and this one is VM. So tan theta is equal to students VRM divided by VM. So that is equal to how much? 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. So students, you know theta is equal to, you got theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree we got. Friends, here the direction of rainfall with the vertical is 45 degree. So actual velocity of the rain कितना है? We want to find this VR. What is the actual velocity of the rain? That means we want to find R. मैं ये R के साथ मतलब है हम तो यहाँ पर एंगल निकाल दिए VR VM लेके, but we want to find the actual velocity of the rain. That means if I will take student sin theta, you know sin theta is equal to P by H. That means if this is sin theta, this is how much? VRM. P is VRM by H is VR, velocity of rain. So sin theta is equal to VRM by VR. So students, here theta is equal to 45 we got. So sine 45 degree is equal to VRM is how much? 2 given in the question, and we have to find VR. So VR is equal to, by solving this, we got VR is equal to sine 45 is 1 by root 2. जब ये उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो 2 root 2 kilometer per hour. So the rain is actually falling 2 root 2 kilometer per hour and with the angle of 45 degree. Actually, the man is moving in this direction and the rain is falling somehow in this direction. Yeah, with some angle, it is velocity of rain. Velocity of only rain. But in the question is given, the rain appears to him to come down. That means the resultant velocity of the rain with respect to man is like this. This is VRM. And you know VRM means what? VRM means we have already learned in the theory VR minus VM. So this is minus VM. This is minus VM. This is VRM. Then only the resultant velocity is there. Understood? If this is the velocity VR, this is the velocity VM. So this will be the summation. No, these are in the same direction. So this will be the resultant vector VRM, velocity of rain with respect to man, which is given vertical. And that one we are representing in this question. VRM is downward, VM is here. So this is the actual direction of VR. Friends, here in this question, a river is flowing from west to east. That means the river is flowing like this. This is west, this is east. And the river is flowing at a rate of 5 meter per minute. 5 meter per minute पे river flow कर रहा है. Man can swim in still water with a velocity of 10 meter per minute. That means velocity of man is given 10 meter per minute. In which direction should the man swim so as to take the shortest possible path to go to south? इसका मतलब स्टूडेंट्स अगर ये वेस्ट है ये ईस्ट है तो ये वाला नॉर्थ हो जाएगा और ये वाला साउथ हो जाएगा. That means इसी किसी पॉइंट से वो पर्सन स्विम करना शुरू करेगा. In which direction should the man swim so as to take the shortest possible path? Shortest possible path मतलब उसको यहाँ पर पहुंचना होगा. So definitely उसको यहाँ पर अगर पहुंचना है तो he should swim in this direction. He has to make some angle with the vertical. That means this would be the velocity of the man. You know, and this is the velocity of the river. Understood? And this is velocity of the man, so that he could reach on this direction, which is shortest part पे जाना होगा. So student, let the swimmer swims an angle theta. Yes or no? So यहाँ पर student figure पे आप देख सकते हैं, this is VR, this would be also VR. Yes or no? So I could write here from the figure only, sin theta is equal to how much? Velocity of river divided by velocity of man. So VR is velocity of river, VM is velocity of man. So here velocity of river is given how much, students? 5 meter per minute, and velocity of man is given 10. So that is 1 by 2. So students अगर solve करेंगे तो theta I got 30 degree. But question पे उसने पूछा है, जो सारे options भी दिया है, so this angle is 30 degree. So it is not 30 degree with downstream. Downstream के साथ 30 degree नहीं बना रहा है. 60 degree with each of south. No, ऐसा नहीं है. South के साथ 60 degree नहीं कर रहा है वो. So देखो ये वाला 90 है, ये वाला 30 है. So total मिला देंगे तो so angle with downstream. Angle with downstream is how much? 90 plus 30. ये वाला 30 आ गया. So students, angle with downstream. So angle with downstream. Angle with downstream is 30 degree plus 10 degree. That is equal to, sorry, 90 degree plus 30 degree. That is equal to 120 degree. Here you saw 30 degree with downstream, 120 degree with downstream. Okay. Friends, you see here a ship is moving westward. That means अगर यहाँ पर देखें तो ship जो है वो A पॉइंट से इस तरफ जा रहा है westward. कितने में स्टूडेंट्स? 10 kilometer per hour, correct? And ship B 100 kilometer south of A. That means ये अगर west है तो वो ईस्ट है और ऊपर की तरफ नॉर्थ और ये नीचे की तरफ साउथ. ठीक है. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट 100 किलोमीटर मतलब यहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर की साउथ के तरफ, साउथ ए इज मूविंग नॉर्थवर्ड, मतलब यहाँ से जो शिप है वो इस तरफ मूव कर रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? शिप बी इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन और वो भी कितने स्पीड पे दिया हुआ है, वो भी 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर पे जा रहा है, दैट इज आल्सो मूविंग विद 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर. The time after which the distance between them becomes shortest. Yes or no? स्टूडेंट्स अगर वेक्टोरियली में हम यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करें दोनों की वेलोसिटी को, तो स्टूडेंट वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए कितना हो जाएगा, दैट इज नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस पे जा रहा है मान के चलो, सो दैट इज -10 आई क्या किलोमीटर पर आवर. करेक्ट. लाइक दैट स्टूडेंट, अगर वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी की बात करें तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी इज अलोंग वाई, सो दैट इज पॉजिटिव, सो दैट इज 10 जे क्या किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये सब नो फ्रेंड्स, हमें क्या निकालना है, velocity of b with respect to a अगर हम निकालें, if I'll be finding the velocity of b, let I'm interested to find velocity of b with respect to a. Velocity of b with respect to a. So that means students, v velocity of b, not vector, velocity of b, that is vba, we want to find, that is equal to how much, vb minus va. You see properly, if I'll go for vb va, how much will be, vb is 10 j I cap, 10 j cap minus of minus will be how much, plus 10 I cap. So 10 I cap plus 10 j cap will be the vector. Okay. And here students, if I'll go for magnitude of VBA, if I'm interested to find the magnitude of VBA, then it is how much, 10 square plus 10 square, 10 square plus 10 square ka root under, that is how much, 10 root 2 kilometer per hour. Okay. But student, the thing is that 10 रूट 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर जो है वो कौन सा डायरेक्शन पे होगा, अगर ये बी पॉइंट है स्टूडेंट्स, ये ए पॉइंट है, तो दिस इज वीबी, अगर मैं वीए निकालूं तो वीबी माइनस बी है, तो माइनस बी किस तरफ हो जाएगा, इस तरफ हो जाएगा ना स्टूडेंट्स, माइनस वी विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड वीबी इज, तो रिजल्टेंट विल बी हाउ मच, somehow the resultant will be in this direction. Correct. This is va, this is vb, so the resultant will be in this direction, and definitely, so the resultant vector will be in this direction, and that is how much you got student, 10 root 2 kilometer per hour. एंड एंगल की अगर बात करें तो tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू p बाय b, अगर मैं ले लूं 10 बाय 10 तो कितना हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा. सो डेफिनेटली स्टूडेंट्स एंगल इज हाउ मच हियर, 45 डिग्री, नो डाउट. 10 10 दोनों सेम मैग्नीट्यूड में है, 10 किलोमीटर, ये भी 10 किलोमीटर, ये भी 10 किलोमीटर, सो डेफिनेटली दिस एंगल इज गोइंग टू बी हाउ मच, 45. एंड दिस इज स्टूडेंट्स VBA will be along the line, let यहाँ पर नाम C दे देते हैं, along the line C, BC, ठीक है. VBA will be in this direction, that is 45. Okay students, तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर द टाइम आफ्टर व्हिच द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम बिकम्स शॉर्टेस्ट, मतलब ये भी मैं अगर इसकी रेस्पेक्ट में इसको देखूं तो कितने टाइम के बाद दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस शॉर्टेस्ट हो जाएगा. तो स्टूडेंट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए क्या करना होगा हमें, तो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस ये भी इस तरफ में, इसका वेलोसिटी जो इस तरफ है एक्चुअली मैं इस तरफ ले रहा हूँ, ये भी इस तरफ जा रहा है, ये भी इस तरफ जा रहा है, तो शॉर्टेस्ट मतलब स्टूडेंट दोनों के बीच में अगर मैं एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करूँ, यहाँ से इस पॉइंट से मैंने एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा किया, तो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस ना. तो स्टूडेंट ये पॉइंट का नाम अगर मैं डी दे दूं, at this point name I gave as D. Okay, so student the shortest distance between the ships will be at the position D. That means relative displacement of B, relative displacement of B with respect to A is the distance between A and B. और A और B के बीच में shortest distance क्या होगा, अगर नेट इस तरफ जा रहा है तो this will be the shortest distance, ये वाला, and which will be equal to shortest distance मतलब दोनों के बीच में स्टूडेंट्स, so that will be equal to BD. This will be the shortest distance. ये सिर्फ इस तरफ जा रहा है, ये इस तरफ जा रहा है, तो ये थोड़ा अप्रोच कर रहा है, ये भी थोड़ा अप्रोच कर रहा है, तो दोनों के बीच में शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, बीडी होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमें यहाँ पर बीडी निकालना होगा फिगर से. सो इफ आई विल बी गोइंग फॉर फाइंडिंग द बीडी, तो बीडी क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, इफ आई विल बी फाइंडिंग दिस वन, दिस बीडी, इफ आई विल बी फाइंड, then how much I will take, see the BD will be how much students, this BD will be how much, this is 10 root 2, yes or no, and this is how much, this distance I want to find, so BD will be how much students say, see here students, we want to find BD na, so this AB is how much, 100 kilometer given in the question na? Yes or no. So BD is equal to, students, if I take sine 45, then sine 45 is equal to P by H. I cannot take sine 45, I have to take cos 45 because B by H I want to find, sorry. Let here cos 45. So cos 45 is equal to how much, students, B by H. That means BD by AB. Yes or no?
Yes.
So BD AB is how much? 100 kilometer. So cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to BD by 100. Okay, students. So from there I could get BD is equal to 100 by root 2. Once I got BD, once I got BD is equal to 100 by root 2, that means this path BD, that means the ship B has to cover this path 100 by root 2 with a speed of 10 root 2 kilometer per hour, which is the resultant speed. Yes, and how much time it will take? The time after which the distance between them becomes shortest. So the net velocity है, relative velocity हम जो निकाले हैं दोनों के बीच में, वो कितने टाइम के बाद 10 root 2 हो जाएगा. So the time, students, so time t is equal to, right, time t is equal to bc, sorry bd जो निकाले हम bd divided by कितने वेलोसिटी में जा रहा था, रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी तो दोनों के बीच में vb है, तो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ vb हम निकाले अभी. So that is how much? 100. BD is 100 by root 2 divided by BA हम निकाले 10 root 2. So by solving this, I will get how much? Root 2, 10 by 2. So it will be 5 hours. So students, the time after which the distance between them becomes shortest is equal to 5 hours. See carefully.